Hey all, DOSman here. In this video we're going to build a simple 4-piece plume reveal that will be suitable for use as a transition or a text or graphic reveal. Once it's rendered, of course, you can use it in your favorite video creator. Properly rendered, it will be usable in Easy Sketch Pro, Maker FX and Explaindio. I took the liberty of placing all the items into Camtasia Studio that we are going to use. This can be done in any multitrack editing software. I'm using Camtasia Studio because it was already open to do the screen capture with. We're going to use a JPEG of a grungy wall and a plume video from a collection that a friend of mine sells. He's got a lot of cool visual elements for green screen use and some collections of motion backgrounds that are ready to use. I'll include a link to his site under the video. Anyway, there's our JPEG and the text callout that we're going to use, and here is our plume video. Now, a plume is basically a rendering of the effect that you would get from dropping dye into a clear liquid and filming it up close from the side. It accelerates into the scene quickly from an introduction point and then slows, drifts, and dissipates. You can see the power and concentrated coverage that the plume enters the frame with. This makes it ideal for use as a reveal. Now, this element is not pre-keyed, so the black background is blocking out our JPEG and the callout. We'll address this in a minute. If for any reason you want to change the tonal quality of the plume itself, check the colorize box. You can pick color and intensity here from any color family and even do your own custom color. But be careful. With high color saturation, you begin to lose detail in the plume. So, for our purposes, color won't matter because we're actually going to be removing the plume itself to see through where it was. Okay, so now we are going to click in the Remove a Color checkbox. Now, if we were doing a green screen scene, we would of course remove the same flavor of green as the background. However, since black was the offending color that was blocking everything, we will remove black. Now, once you've done that, be sure and play with the settings that you have available to you. These will vary slightly depending on the program you're using and may give you some interesting options. Nearly all programs have a tolerance adjustment to help you fine-tune the edges of the video overlay subject, in this case, the plume. In this program, the tolerance setting dramatically changes the scope of coverage for the plume as seen here. Now, the last thing we're going to do in here is check the invert effect box. This causes the plume to become the see-through portion of the video clip and the previously see-through part to become opaque. Cool. That's exactly what we want. However, as the clip runs, our text gets obscured again. To fix that, we're going to add an animation to the clip to clear things up. To do that, we need to find the portion of the video where our text is first visible in the natural flow of the clip. At that point, we're going to add an animation. The animation pops in with its endpoint where we are on the timeline, so we need to set what we want to see at this point. I'm going to zoom the plume out to 400% and slide the opacity to 1. That gives us a graceful exit and keeps the frame clear after the animation has run. Things are clearing just a little too soon. The text is showing through before the plume has fully cleared it, so we need to slide the animation around a little bit until we get exactly what we want. There, that's got it. Now this reveal is happening a little faster than I want for the video that I plan to use it in. So I'm going to right-click on the clip and select Clip Speed and set the speed to 40% of the original speed. Okay, now it's happening at a pace that is consistent with the rest of my content. So, We'll make all our tracks the length that we want, and we can render the frame for use in a project in any video maker. If we save the project file, we can come back and use this reveal over and over again just by changing the clip speed, the text or graphic being revealed, and or the underlying JPEG even. And it makes it fresh and new in just a matter of seconds. Well, that's a wrap for this project. I hope you found value in it and found something useful for your own video projects. This is the DOS Man. Have a great day.